Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to Auntie A's Kitchen. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and in today's video we're going to be recreating a not so traditional British pub lunch of onion tart, and I'm going to show you how to make this in two different ways, and this was served with a delicious lentil and beetroot salad. So let's get started. We need the lentils cool for the salad, so we'll start by preparing these first, and these darker ones take the longest to cook, so if you've never made them before, wash them, then place them into some water and let them simmer for about 20 minutes. For our salad dressing, pour some balsamic vinegar, extra virgin oil and honey into a small container, season with some pepper, give everything a good mix, and then set this aside for later. Next, evenly slice up one medium onion. After about 20 minutes, I check on the lentils by squeezing a lentil between my fingers, and for al dente, there should be a little bit of resistance. To finish the lentils, season the water with some salt, let them sit for 5 minutes before draining the water and letting them cool completely. If you have time, I'd always recommend that you make your own puff pastry, and if you're interested, I have a very simple rough puff pastry recipe on the channel. Alternatively, you could just use some shop-bought puff pastry, as I am today. This recipe was inspired from a recent trip I had to England, and I ordered this meal in a local pub. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you a photo of what was served to me, and then you can let me know which recipe you would prefer. In the intro, I did say we'd make our onion tart in two different ways. So for the first, we're going to make it face up, adding some crème fraiche to the pastry, making sure to leave the sides free so that the pastry can puff up. And for the second, we're going to cook it face down, which is going to soften and caramelize the onions as it cooks. So onto some baking paper, add a drizzle of olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and then your onions. Today I'm using white, but you could use red or even a mixture. Onto the crème fraiche, add the remainder of the cut up onions, then grate some Gruyere, which has a wonderful nutty flavour, on top of both of the onion tarts. Whisk up an egg, then egg wash around the edge to ensure a golden brown colour on your puff pastry. While I'm doing this, may I say hi and thank you. I love reading all of your comments and try to answer quickly to each one, as I really appreciate your support. And if you're here for the first time today, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out when I post more simple and delicious recipes. Finish off your onion tarts with some ground black pepper and a sprinkling of some thyme. Then get this into your preheated oven, 200°C, and it's going to cook for about 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love the season changing into colder weather, as it's the time of year where I love to use a lot more root vegetables in my salads, one of my favourite being beetroot because it's just so versatile to use. Not only is it a healthy vegetable, but you can eat it raw, pickle it, or cook it. And in fact, today I did say it was a simple recipe. We're going to be using some pre-cooked beetroot, and all you need to do is cut it into cubes. Next, I prepare some nuts, which bring a wonderful contrast in texture. And for today, I'm going to be using some walnuts that we harvested in the summer. And then finally, I break up some feta cheese, and I love the combination of the salty sour feta mixed with the sweet beetroot and salad dressing. With the onion tarts plated up, all that's left to do is to serve the salad. Don't forget to wash your salad, and I think a mixed leaf salad works really well with this. Onto your salad leaves, add a generous amount of your cooled down lentils, followed by some beetroot and walnuts. Then crumbling some feta cheese over the top. To bring all of the salad together, finish by drizzling over your wonderful flavoursome salad dressing, and top this with some cut up fresh parsley. So here we have my take on a British pub lunch of onion tart served with a beetroot and lentil salad. Incredibly delicious, and as you've seen in today's video, very easy to make. As I promised earlier, I've included a picture of the pub lunch that I received that inspired me to make this video. I really enjoyed eating this, but after making my own version of this, I think I'd order something different next time. So please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. So as always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. God bless.